Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install the ReShade in 5M application. I have some steps. That steps you will try to add the ReShade application in 5M. So don't waste our time. Let's get started. Then first is step up. We can go to open the ReShade application. Here we need path of 5M folder. So we can go to select the 5M application on desktop, then right click, then we can go to select the open file location. Here that available that path of folder, just you select the file application and right click, just here available copy as path, just click to copy, then we can come to back from the file, then we can go to open the shader application, reset as application, just here search in the search box. Here pick up the path of location, paste here. If you have done, then hit the next to it is move on the next display. Then here you can go to select the Microsoft DirectX 10 level 12, then hit the next, then selected all. So here we can go to click on the uncheck all, then again hit the check the all. If you have done all, then you hit the next. It is installing some files. After that we can go to, we will get some script that copy to paste in 5M folder. So wait, it is installing. It has acknowledged. Just hit the finish to, then here install files copy to paste in the 5M application data. So I go out to, then copy, I expose. So you will see this file application copy or cut. Just to open the file application, then here available plugins, just to open it, then we can go to open the plugins, then paste here. If you have done, then you come to back, you can go to open the 5M application. If you open the 5M application, then you copy this code. After that you come to back, then we can go to that file explorer again and go to click on the 5M application data, and here we can go to locate the citizen fx.ini. Just select and right click and open it. Here paste, then save this file, control plus s, click to paste it, then come to back. Then you can go to open the 5M application after the restart, then your problem fix it and install the reset application in 5M. So if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you, and don't forget subscribe. Thanks for watching.